Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable apps only mode and hide home recommendations on your Panasonic TV. To do that, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then press OK to open all settings, and after that you're gonna have to go to Accounts and Sign In, then select your account, and after that find Apps Only Mode, switch the toggle to the right to turn it on, then select Turn On, and after that return to your home screen. And as you can see right now, there are no recommendations here. But if you, whenever you want to go back to the previous mode, just go back to all settings, go to Accounts and Sign In, go to your account, go to Apps Only Mode, switch it off, and after that you're probably gonna have to wait for some time before the previous mode loads up on your TV. And at this point, that's it. That's how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if Google Assistant isn't listening to you or you have microphone issues on Panasonic TV. First of all, let's navigate to the settings and let's check if the TV remote is properly connected. So let's go to Remotes and Accessories in Settings. And if you don't see your remote control here, then select Pair Accessory. And even if you see your remote control, then you can simply select it, then select Forget Device, and then select Pair Accessory and start holding down the Home button and the Back button or Return button at the same time. So hold them down for about 10 seconds until you see your TV remote on the sidebar, and press OK to start pairing it. And once the TV remote is paired, and you can see it right here, let's go back and now let's go to Privacy. Now in Privacy, select Google Assistant and make sure that the voice control is enabled. If it's not, then switch the toggle on. And after that, just to make sure everything works properly, let's restart the TV by holding down the power button, then select OK to turn it off, and wait for about 5 to 10 seconds for it to fully shut down. After that, turn it back on by short pressing the power button on your remote control once again, and wait until your Panasonic TV starts up. And after the TV is restarted, give it about a minute to launch. And once it launches, let's try to press the microphone button on the remote control and ask Google Assistant to do something for us. So let me, for example, ask, what's the weather like outside today? What's the weather? Okay, it's a bit laggy. Let me do it once again. What's the weather like outside today? Okay, and as you can see, it performs operations well. Now, if this didn't fix the problem for you, then consider replacing the batteries in your remote control. So just remove the back cover from your remote control, remove the old alkaline AAA batteries from it, and replace them with a pair of new ones. And after that, try using your voice assistant once again, and this should fix the issue. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable the high performance mode on your Panasonic TN W78AEZ TV. To do that, on the home menu of your TV, go to the apps list and find the Eco Dashboard application. This is a pre-installed application, so you will surely find it here. Just open it and then here select full performance mode, click yes, and this will max out your device's performance in just one click. Here you can see all the settings that will be changed in order to enable this mode. So as you can see, auto turn off and auto sleep are set to never, just like no signal power off is set to never too. Auto backlight is disabled, and waking up on land, wireless, and Google Cast are enabled. And also it increases the brightness and basically the performance speed for your TV. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow interface or laggy Google TV menu on your Panasonic TV. Now, first of all, give your TV about a minute to launch. It's normal for every TV to take a little bit of time after launching to start up. So the first minute you are trying to use your TV will be sometimes laggy, and it's pretty much okay. But generally speaking, if you want to improve your device's overall performance, you have to first press the gear button on your remote control, then open all settings menu, and then the most important step in here is updating your software. To do so, go to System menu, then go to About section, then go to System Update. Make sure that your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi, select Check for Update, and see if your device has any updates to install. Then if it does, then take your time and install the latest software version. Then restart your TV and try using it once again. Now the next thing that decreases our device's performance is the piled up cache in storage. Especially if you've been using your TV for a while, you probably have a bunch of it, and you can thankfully clean it all with just one click. Now, so to do that, in System menu, go to Storage. Then here you will probably have something like Free Up Storage. If you go right here and select Clear Cache, then OK, you will clear the currently piled up cache on your TV. But if you don't see Free Up Storage here, you can go to Internal Shared Storage, find cache data, select it, click OK, and you will clean the cache in all applications that you have on your TV. Besides, go to the Apps menu and see in See All Apps, see if you don't have any applications, if you have any applications that you don't necessarily need right now. For example, I no longer use this downloader application, so I can select it, then select Uninstall and free up some storage on my TV. This will also improve this device's performance and will improve its responsiveness. Now, after that, we can also limit some process in the background for our device, so to improve the performance. And to do so, we're gonna have to go to the About menu and then select Android TV OS build. Press the OK button 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification on your screen. Now go to the developer options and scroll down. First of all, to window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So decreasing these values will increase your basically fasten your animation speed. So you can either select them and turn off the animations if you don't want them at all, or you can just speed them up twice as much by selecting 0.5x, and this will improve your device's navigation speed visually, though it will not it will not affect software or hardware in any way. So in order to improve the device's performance, we're going to have to go even lower to background process limit option. And now let's change the background process limit from standard limit to let's say 2 up to 4 processes. So just think about how many processes you usually use at the same time on your TV. I mean, not at the same time, but how many processes you switch between. So if it's, for example, YouTube and Netflix, then you can set at most 2 processes, and then you will seamlessly operate on your device and will feel no difference, while your TV will use less resources to process your navigation and basically everything else. So I personally recommend selecting at most 4 processes. This will improve your device performance enough, but you can go with as low as 2 processes at most. Now, besides, you can also extremely improve your device performance, though it will remove all these featured TV series and movies from your home screen. So if you don't need them, what you can do is go to the settings, and in all settings menu you can select accounts and sign in, then select your Google account and navigate all the way down to apps only mode, and I'll enable it, select turn on, and then press home button, and your home menu will transform into just Google TV without any featured stuff, which will also improve your device's performance significantly, as it will not have to preload all of this data from external sources, from your streaming services, etc. And so that's it. That's all the steps in which you can improve your device performance. By the way, if your device is still laggy, I would also recommend checking your device's remote control. Try replacing the batteries in it. Maybe it's not the TV that is laggy, but your remote control is simply poorly responsive due to discharged batteries. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remap remote buttons and customize buttons like Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video on your Panasonic TV. So let's start by downloading the appropriate application. For that, go to the Apps tab on your home screen, open the search field, and let's search for the Mapper application. Okay, press search, and now in my case there are 2 different apps for that. I'm gonna be using the first one, which you see right here, which is a button mapper. You can also go with Buttons Remapper. It's also a great app, but it's limited to 2 remapping per free tier. So if you want to remap more than 2 buttons, you're gonna have to pay for a full version. It's not expensive. It's about, I think, like $2. It offered me a premium version for $2, which I think is a fair price. But we want to do as much as we can for free. So let's go to the first app and let's install it. Let's wait until it's installed on our TV. And in the meantime, while it's installing, let's go to the home screen. Then let's navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open all settings menu. Then in all settings, we want to navigate down to accessibility. Then in accessibility, once this application is downloaded and installed, we'll be able to find it in the services section at the very bottom of the list. Now select your button mapper, enable accessibility features for it, and click OK. And after that, let's go back to the home screen and let's open this newly installed app. Now here we have some default buttons. Some of them are locked for premium, like the back button or menu button cannot be reprogrammed unless you buy a premium or a pro version of this application, but we have volume buttons. There used to be a home button, but it went somewhere, and I'm not sure if it's available then anymore. Anyway, now we can add more buttons by selecting Add Buttons, and now let's select our streaming services buttons, or any buttons that are mentioned in the first 3 categories we see right here. So select Add Buttons, and now I'm gonna press the Netflix button, then the Prime Video button, and then the Disney Plus button. Now select each of these buttons, select No Thanks, and select Customize. And now once you switch on customizing, you can override single tap, double tap, long press. So I just want to override the single tap function for these buttons, and I want them to perform no action. So I don't know what they should perform instead of accidentally opening a streaming service. So I'm just gonna prevent this from happening for now. So I'm gonna select no action for a single tap. Right away we can test these buttons. So just press this button. If nothing happens, that's great. That means that everything was configured right. Now let's go to this following button. In my case, it's Prime Video. Once again, let's enable customization. Let's switch single tap to no action. Let's test Prime Video button, and unfortunately it didn't work. So in this case, what we have to do is simply add this button once again, because this sometimes happens. So let's just return to our buttons menu. Let's remove this button from the list, select Add Buttons, and select your button that failed to, oh no. I think this was actually the Prime Video button. So everything actually worked. Okay, let's check it out. Enable customization, single tap, set to no action. Now let's try pressing Prime Video button, and yeah, nothing happened. That's great. And the last one on the list was the Disney Plus button. That's it. Now let's select single tap, no action. Okay, and so now none of these 3 buttons will accidentally turn on the streaming service for me. Still, I can simply hold them down, and they will open eventually the streaming services I'm asking for. It's just that right now I can do this intentionally and not accidentally. So yeah, as I said, if some button didn't get blocked for you right away, just remove it by selecting the trash icon on the right side, and add it again using Add Buttons, and then block the action for it once again. It's just a bug, and I don't know how to bypass it. Now let's also remap some other button, and let's actually replace it with a function. So let's select Add Buttons, and I'm gonna use the Rewind button. Now let's navigate to our Media Rewind button. No thanks, and I just want it to perform the back button purpose or action. So let's customize it, single tap, and single tapping it will perform back. And now let's press the rewind, and as you can see, it started working right away. So that's basically how you can remap buttons on your Panasonic TV. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change screensaver and ambient mode settings on Panasonic TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open All Settings menu. Then in All Settings menu, let's go to System, and then in System select Ambient Screensaver. Now we have 3 different options, 3 different channels for our screensaver, either Google Photos or Art Gallery or Custom ARC. We can put any of these on our screensaver. So the default option is, I think, the Art Gallery, which will let us choose some categories of photos or artworks that we want to see on the TV screen. So just uncheck the checkboxes next to the categories that you don't want to see. Then go back and let's click Start Now to preview the photos And now to quickly switch to a different channel, press the down arrow key. And now here once again we have art gallery selected, custom AI art or Google Photos. Now if you want to use your Google Photos, you're gonna have to select this option. Then you're gonna have to confirm your identity to access Google Photos. And to do that, on your smartphone that you use to set up your TV, you're gonna have to open the Google application. And once you open it, and if you have internet connection on your smartphone, you will see this notification. Tap yes, it's me, and this way you will verify your identity. Now select some albums. And now some very important notice: if your photos are not scaled to your TV's display size, your Google screensaver will most probably ignore them, and instead of them will put default screensavers on your screen. But here we also have the pre-made album, which is called recent highlights, and it's not the album that you create, it's just the generated album. Now in this album, all the photos will be just aligned to your TV size, and if needed, they will be also combined with other photos. So if you want to have your Google Photos for sure on your home screen, on your TV screensaver, then select recent highlights, or just create an album with photos scaled to your TV's display size. Then select confirm. Your screensaver will be updated, and now you will see what Google Photos or recent highlights look like on your TV. So yeah, something like this. Now we have many different photos here. And now let's try to generate our custom AI art. I think this feature is very interesting, and it generally is a great idea. So we can either select some preset that we have right here, or of course we can create new art by selecting create new. Now you can either describe your idea by selecting this first option and then speaking to your microphone. Then you can also select inspire me option if you want to just if you want your TV to generate something random, or we can use some preset that we will use as the style of our AI generated art. So for example, let's select painting, and now what we want to paint. So a painting of a canyon, we can change the canyon to the beach, for example, or a cliff. But we have more options to choose from. Let it be waterfall. Okay, and now let's select avant-garde. Let's select a different style. So boho style, generate. And let's see what it looks like. So pretty much what you would expect. Now select save, and this photo will be saved to your AI screensavers. We can also use up and down arrow keys to navigate between generated options and select the one that we like the most. I actually like this one the most, so let's save this one, and let's unsave this one. Okay, by selecting save once again. Now let's generate again. Let the TV generate some more pictures. And we can of course use edit option if we want to edit the photo. And we can generate more art if we want to. Okay, and we can either set all screensaver, or we can manage images. In manage images menu, we will be able to either remove some art, or yeah, we basically just remove the art that we don't want to see. So we can select the artworks that we don't want to see on our screen. So everything except for the picture we created. Okay, we're gonna need 2 images at least, so let's remove everything except for these two. And now we can use custom AI art as a screensaver, but we have only 2 pictures here right now. And we have more settings. So if you select art gallery as your screensaver option, you'll be able to weather and time. Yeah, so we can change or display in weather and time on our screensaver. So we can either display the weather or hide it, or use or change the measurement type, so either Celsius or Fahrenheit or both. Now for time we can only hide it or show it on the screen. Now the photo data, now this one will work for the default screensaver for the art gallery. So this is the data, or the owner's name and album name. If you want to show it on your screen, select show. If you want to hide it, select hide. Now if you want to show portrait orientation on Google Photos, then you're gonna have to just give me a moment, something lagged. Yeah, so basically we can either hide or show portrait orientation photos in this menu. So if you don't want your TV to ignore portrait orientation photos and actually display them, then select show or show pairs. And now for the personal photo curation, so we can also select either all albums or live albums only. And here we can adjust the slideshow speed. So just select this option and then select the time for after which you want the ambient image to change with a different one. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot use your Google Voice Assistant on your Panasonic W70 TV. So if you are pressing the microphone button on your remote control and it doesn't do anything on your TV, then your remote control is probably not properly connected to your TV, and in such case you're gonna have to go to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open all settings menu. You can also use your smartphone instead if you want to. After that, navigate to remotes and accessories, find your TV remote, and now let's straight away forget this TV remote so that we don't have any troubles with it. And now in order to connect our TV remote, we're gonna have to use the combination of keys. Just give me a moment. So on your remote control, press and hold the home button alongside with the back button or the return button. Hold them down at the same time until your blue light starts blinking. Then go back to remotes and accessories, select pair accessory, and you will see your TV remote on the list. Press OK to pair it with your TV. Now after that, after the TV remote is connected, let's go back to settings. Let's go to privacy, and in privacy find Google Assistant. Make sure that the voice control is enabled for Google Assistant. It is the most important part. Now you can try using your voice assistant straight away by holding down the microphone button and saying something to it. But if it cannot hear you, then in such case you're gonna have to restart your TV. So in order to restart your TV, just hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, then select OK. Let your TV shut down and give it a couple of seconds to shut down. And after that, let's turn it back on by pressing the power button once again. And after your TV restarts, you'll be able to use your voice assistant once again. So let's check it out. Let's give the TV some time to launch. And after your TV launches, give it like 45 seconds to fully load the interface so you can smoothly navigate in it, or more or less at least. And after that, start holding down the microphone button and speaking to your voice assistant. And right now, it should be able to hear you.
Sure. Here's the voice assistant value, 2023.
And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control for a Panasonic TV. To do that, we're gonna need to install an application called Google Home. We're gonna need to install it on our smartphone. So if you already have it on your smartphone, that's great. But generally, I'm gonna show you this operation step by step. So starting with our TV, we're gonna have to check which Wi-Fi it is connected to and whether or not our smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, because they're gonna need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network in order for this to work. So first of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen, then select Network and Internet, and check the Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to, and make sure that you connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your smartphone, open either the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on the operational system that you're using, so either an Android or iOS, and then search for apps and games and search for the Google Home application. Let's find it. Here it is. Now let's install it. Wait until this application is installed on your smartphone and open it and give it all the permissions. So tap Get Started. Next, okay, notifications are actually not required, so we can skip this step, don't allow. Select your Google account, okay, then select your home or create a new one, then click OK. Turn your Bluetooth on, give it the location access while using the app, tap OK. Your iPhone may ask for a couple more permissions for this to work. And now tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen to add your TV to the device list. So tap the plus icon, then select device, then select search for device, then select your home and tap next. And now wait for your smartphone to find your TV. Keep it close to your TV as possible at the moment. And in case it doesn't find the TV right away, that means that your TV is stored in the local devices. And to access them, tap this 4 rectangles icon, which will lead you to all devices. And then look at the very bottom of this menu. You will find your TV in the local devices. So tap on it, then select Add to a room, and then select a room in your house, for example, the living room, then tap Next. Then you're gonna have to set up your TV with a couple of further steps. Click Confirm. And once your settings are applied, select the language that you want to use with this TV. So for example, English, United Kingdom, Next. Next, then default music service, select it, then select Next. Then if you want to link to video service, you can do this, or you can skip this step by tapping Not Now. Then select Sign Up. Then Continue. Continue once again. Then let's skip the tutorial. And now we have our device in the living room. Now if you select it, you'll have Open Remote option right here. Enter the PIN code that you see on your TV screen. And tap Pair. Okay, and now you can start using your smartphone as a remote control. using Google Home application. As you can see here, we have return button, home button, we have voice assistant button, we have sound volume lowering and some sound volume increasing buttons. We have mute button and the power button in the top right corner of the screen. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I will show you how to get the best picture settings for movies on Panasonic TV. So first of all, I highly recommend connecting your TV to an external device that supports HDR, and once you do that, press the gear button on your remote control to open settings. Then from quick settings, let's go to picture, and now let's skip all of the settings for now and go to advanced settings. And now let's enable the Filmmaker Mode. So just take a look at how this one setting will improve the overall quality of the image. You can see the current image right now. It's the standard mode. If I'm not mistaken, let's actually check. Yeah, it's the standard HDR. Now let's go to advanced settings and enable Filmmaker Mode by switching this toggle to the right, then select OK. And as you can see right now, the image quality has overall improved. Now I can see that it's kind of way too bright. It's probably because I'm in a very dark room, so I have to adjust the brightness. So make sure that the backlight is set to 100. So we want to see the picture as clear as possible. Now the brightness can be set to, for example, even 80 if you are in a darker room. But if you are in a well-lit room, you can go to as much as 90 something. So let me just decrease the brightness slightly. Contrast should stay the same in order for colors to not get distorted. Colors also should also stay the same. For the same reason, HUE or hue, do not touch this setting for sure. Go to advanced settings, make sure that the HDR is switched on, make sure that you have the Filmmaker Mode enabled, and at this point that's basically enough to get the clearest image on your TV without any advanced setting. So you can see it for yourself right now. For me, everything looks great, and it's just a YouTube video that I started playing on this TV. So you can see the quality yourself. Let's change the perspective. Let's see how what our other frames look like. And the colors look very natural, and generally the picture looks very good for a YouTube video especially. So basically this one step is enough to get the best picture quality for your movies. And so that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to sideload apps and install APKs on Panasonic TV. So I'm gonna show you two ways of how you can do that, either with or without a smartphone, but I would like to start with a method without a smartphone. So you only gonna need your TV for that. Open the apps menu at the top bar of your home screen. Then let's go to the search field, and we're gonna need to install some applications. The first one is the downloader application, so let's search for the downloader. And once you find this app, select it, select install. Then we're gonna also need the file explorer. Let's find an application that is called File Manager. once you find this app,
Results for File Manager.
this one with the File Manager Plus that has on the File Manager name, select Install, wait until this application is installed, and after that, after this application is installed, let's give both of these applications access to the unknown sources so that they can actually download and install applications from the unknown sources. Now we're gonna need both of them because downloader cannot handle some heavier APKs, and this File Explorer application actually does a well job doing that. So first of all, let's go to settings by navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Just open all settings, and after that let's go to privacy, and in privacy let's go to security and restrictions, then go to unknown sources, and then switch the toggles to the right next to downloader and file manager. And after that, after two of these applications are installed, let's first go to downloader. Let's press OK. If this app asks you for some permissions, then give them to it, and then let's search for a search term. In my case, I want to download the project EV launcher. So I'm gonna enter project EV, and so we're gonna need to also mention the resource from which we want to download this application. So in my case, I'm gonna be using APK Mirror as one of the trusted sources for APKs. Do not download and install applications from the sources that you don't trust. Okay, so APK Mirror, I'll let it be, but here we have it. Okay, and then tap OK, and we will get transferred to a browser where we'll see some results for a project APK Mirror, for project EV APK Mirror. Now let's accept the privacy. Yeah, so as you can see, we can navigate here with this red circle. We can navigate, we can use it with our D-pad. Okay, so let's see. Here we have downloaded project EV launcher APKs for Android. Then here we have the APK Mirror website. So that's one that I'm looking for. So now let me select it. Okay, let's agree to privacy policy once again, and now let's scroll down until we see the versions of this application, and here we have the Android TV, the latest released version 4.468. Now let me just close this ad. It's kind of tricky with this remote control. Okay, and after that let's navigate to scroll to available downloads. Let's scroll to the available downloads, and here we have the only one variant, and as you can see, it is a bundle. So if it was an APK, not a bundle, then we would be able to download and install this app using this using the downloader app exclusively. But since it's a bundle, we will not be able to do that, and I'll show you why in a couple of seconds, basically. So, but let's select this version. Okay, here we have download APK bundle, and now let's wait for this bundle to be downloaded. Okay, and now if we select open, it will tell us that no apps were found to handle this kind of file. So that's why we need File Manager. Let's open the File Manager. Then we're gonna need to give file manager access to our files. So let's select next. And then let's go to permissions. Let's select files and media, and let's allow management of all files. Make sure that you allow it using all files, because media only will not let you open downloads folder. Select allow. Next. Then consent. And now let's go to downloads, downloader, and here we have our application. So let's open it. So let's select install and wait until this application is installed. Oh no, I actually had to press it twice. I was actually waiting. So then select install once again. And as you can see right now, this application is installed, so we can return to the home screen and we can run this application. And as you can see, right now we have access to it. So that's basically it for the first part of the video, but I also want to show you how to uninstall this app from your TV. So to do that, go to all settings, then open apps, and in apps you'll be actually able to uninstall this application. So select this application here, then select uninstall, and then this application will be uninstalled from your TV. Now if you want to download an application, if you want to basically install APK from your smartphone, then you're gonna have to go to the apps menu once again, open the search field and search for the application called send files to TV. So that's quite a long name, so let me skip this part of entering the name. Okay, so here is the application that I'm talking about. Select it, tap install, wait until this application is installed. And in this application, tap next, 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 and give it a permission for media. Select allow. Then switch the toggle to the right next to this app. Then you can go back, and then you'll have two options: either send files or receive. So if you select receive, you'll be able to start receiving files from your phone, but from your phone. And yeah, by the way, this application only works on Android devices. So on your Android smartphone, open the Play Store and search for the same application, Send Files to TV, by Jablio. Press install, and wait until this application is installed on your smartphone. Make sure, before you use this application, make sure that your TV and your smartphone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then tap open on your smartphone. Then let's tap next, next, and give this app the permission. Tap allow, and then allow all once again. Then tap allow, and then switch this toggle to the right. Okay, now select send, then select file, some APK file that you want to send to your TV. I don't have any APK files on my smartphone, so I'm just gonna send an image. Then you will see your TV on the device list if you have this page opened on your TV, and if your TV and your smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So just select your TV right here, and you will successfully send this file to your TV. And then once again, if this is an APK file, then you're gonna have to use File Manager to open it. and to run it. In my case, it's just an image, so there is no app. And this is how you sideload applications on your TV. One more thing before I leave. Sometimes some applications will not be shown in your home, in your apps list on the home screen. If you want to fix this, solve this issue, then you're gonna have to search for the application called Sideload Launcher. Actually, I'm not gonna search for it. I believe it was here somewhere. Yeah, Sideload Launcher. So just find this application, then select install it, open it, give it permissions to access your apps and media and everything else, and then you'll be able to find any of your applications right here in this menu. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of app not installed, an error that you get when trying to sideload applications on Panasonic TV. So the reason for that is because the application or the file explorer that you're trying to use to sideload this application doesn't have permissions to install applications from unknown sources, and you can easily change that by pressing the gear button on your remote control to open settings, then entering all settings. Then you're gonna have to go to privacy, and in privacy menu navigate to the very bottom of this list to select security and restrictions, then select unknown sources, and now find the file explorer that you're using to install the application, or maybe the downloader if you're using it. Then switch the toggle to the right next to it, and then try to install this application once again. Just make sure that you are installing applications from trusted, secure sources. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make the display of your Panasonic TN W78AEZ TV monochromic. To do that, first press the gear button on your remote control, then open all settings menu. After that, navigate to system. Then in system, you're gonna have to select the about menu. Now in about, navigate down to Android TV OS build and press OK 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification on your screen. After that, you're gonna have to navigate down to developer options in system menu, and here let's navigate to display mode option. We're gonna find it somewhere at the bottom. Here we have it. Simulate color space. Now from disabled, select monochromacy, and now the TV screen after that TV screen turns into shades of gray. We have also options for people with different color blindness types. Of course, only 3 of them will probably not be enough, and you're still gonna need some kind of manual adjustments if you want to adjust colors to your vision after applying one of these color spaces. But that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear app cache and data to fix slow applications on Panasonic TV. Now, if you want to clear the cache of all applications and fix the overall system stability, you're gonna have to go to the settings by navigating to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, opening all settings. Then you're gonna have to open System menu, and here in the System menu, let's open Storage. Now, we can select Free Up Storage and then select Clear Cache. This will clear all the cache in all the applications. We can also uninstall all the apps, but that's not what we want to do in this video. So instead, let's select Internal Shared Storage. Now, once again, we have the access to cache data here, and we can clean it in just one click. But if you want to clean the data or cache for some specific application, then you're going to have to go to the Apps menu and then select See All Apps. And here you will find all the applications on your TV. And now if you want to clear the cache for some of them or for one of them, then select this application on the list, then navigate to the Clear Cache option, then select OK to confirm. And in the same way, you can clear data for this app and then just return back to the home screen and try relaunching this application and see if the performance has improved for you. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast your phone screen for both Android and iOS devices to Panasonic TV. So, in order to cast your phone's screen, if you're using an Android device, you're going to have to navigate to the Settings menu on your TV and check which Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to. So go to Network and Internet Settings, then check your Wi-Fi connection, and then on your Android device, just make sure that it's the same Wi-Fi network. So in my case, they are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, you can also create a portable hotspot on your Android smartphone and connect your TV to it. After that, what you're going to have to do is swipe down the control center on your smartphone and find the cast icon or the cast tile on it. And if you don't see any cast tile here, then you're going to have to tap on the edit icon, then add cast feature to your quick settings, and then go back, then select this feature, then select your TV once it's detected, and then you can either choose to cast one application or entire screen. If you select one application, then tap next and select the application that you want to cast. Otherwise, you're gonna have to simply select cast screen, and the screen of your Android smartphone will start casting to your TV. You can also use applications that have the cast icon, that support the cast icon. For example, YouTube application does. Let me just quickly find it on this smartphone. I'm not sure if it's present, but it would be. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, in the YouTube application, we have the cast icon in the top right corner of the screen. So we can also tap on it and then select our TV. And then we'll be just casting the YouTube application itself. And so on and so on. Now, so if your TV uses the Google launcher, you will not be able to use the AirPlay directly to connect with your iPhones. So if you want to connect an iPhone to your TV, you're going to have to go to the Apps menu and search for Apps and Games, and then find the application called AirScreen. Fortunately, I have it. I used to have it on some of my old TVs. So let me just open this applications page. So all you have to do is install this application. It's gonna take a moment. Then once the application is installed, let's open it. Click OK. Now then make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, just like with Android devices. Then grant this application permission to use your location. Select while using the app. Then let's confirm. And after that, you're going to have to scan the QR code that you see on the screen using your iPhone's camera. So grab your iPhone and scan the QR code you see on the screen, then tap on the link that you received, and you will be redirected to the Air screen page, where you can select whether you want to cast an entire screen of your iPhone or just in-app content. So for example, let's select the entire screen, and you will get the instructions on how to do that on your iPhone. And the same with in-app content. And to start the screencast, swipe down the control center once again, but on your iPhone. And after that, you're going to have to tap on this AirPlay icon. It looks like two rectangles on top of each other, but if you don't see it right here, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your control center. Then select Add a control at the bottom, and then select screen mirroring feature. And this way you will add it to your control center. Then you're going to have to select this Panasonic device from the list of available devices. By the way, let's give the application the consent to use cookies. Okay, and so right now the screen of our iPhone is mirrored, and that's basically it. We can also open some specific application like YouTube if you want to cast YouTube, for example. Or we can also cast photos application and cast slideshow, so photos on a full screen. So you can either just open this app and start opening pictures, and you will see them on the full screen, or you can use share button and then share your device using AirPlay. And if you want to stop an AirPlay, just swipe down the control center once again, tap on your screen mirroring icon, and then select stop mirroring. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your smartphone as a remote control to control your Panasonic W70 TV. So in order to do that, you're going to have to install the Google Home application if you don't have it on your smartphone. Basically, if you set up your TV with your smartphone, it will be much easier for you, as you will only have to find and open Google Home application and then find your TV in there and select use as a remote. But if you don't have it on your phone, you can open the Play Store or the App Store on your smartphone, depending on which kind of device you are using. Then open the search field and search for Google Home application. Then once you find it, install it, wait for the application to be installed, and then make sure that both your TV and your smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To check the Wi-Fi network on your TV, go to All Settings menu, then go to Network and Internet and check your Wi-Fi network, and make sure that it's the same network on your smartphone. Then open the Google Home application, give it some permissions, get started. You can allow or disallow notifications for this for your Google Home app. Then select the account. Then select your home or add a new home by tapping right here, and select next. Then turn the Bluetooth on, select allow, and then give it this application the location access and select while using the app. Then you can click OK, and now you can try adding your TV by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen and select device, then select search for device, then select your home and tap next, and then wait for your smartphone to find a device nearby. But if it doesn't find anything, as you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, that probably means that your device is stored in local devices list, which is available by tapping these four rectangles to open all devices list. Now in all devices list, you will most probably be able to find your TV at the very bottom in local devices, though sometimes you're gonna have to refresh the application and to reopen it. So let me reopen this app. Let me open the list of all apps. Okay, let me try adding this TV one more time. Okay, so it didn't find it. Let's exit. Let's go back to all devices list. It's gotta be somewhere here. Just give me a moment. Okay, so the problem was resolved after restarting the smartphone. So if you have the same problem, just try restarting your smartphone and your TV too, and then you will see your TV in local devices. Just tap on it and then select add to a room, then select a room from the list or enter the custom room as this is the last option on the list. Tap next, then wait for a moment. And then select confirm. Okay, then select default language that you want to use with your TV for a Google Assistant, for example. Tap next, then select your default music service and confirm. Then if you want to link video services, you can select the video service and proceed, or you can just skip this step by tapping not now. Then you can also receive accept receiving invitations to help improve Google hardware. You can simply skip this step for now. And let's select connect, continue. Let's skip the tutorial. And now in all devices menu, you'll be able to find your Google TV or your Panasonic TV. And now in order to control it with your smartphone, select open remote. Then enter the password that you see on your TV screen. And select pair. And now you can use your smartphone as a remote control. Here we have the touchpad. In the top right corner we have the power button. Here in the middle we have home screen. On the right side we have Google Assistant, the back button or the return button, mute button, and volume controls, sound volume controls. And so that's basically it. And so using this Google Home application, you can control any of your Panasonic TVs basically that run on Google TV. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Filmmaker Mode on your Panasonic TN W78AEZ TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control and open all settings menu. Then go to display and sound and select picture. In picture, you're gonna have to navigate to advanced settings, select it, and then navigate to Filmmaker Mode. Select this option and then switch the toggle to the right next to Filmmaker Mode. select OK, and that's basically it. The Filmmaker mode will be automatically enabled. Now my personal advice is go back to picture settings and increase your backlight level, as for some reason every time I enable Filmmaker mode for the first time, my backlight drops drastically, and you can see it right now in front of you. So just select backlight and increase it. You can increase it up to 100%. It will not distort your image, but it will make it much better quality, much more visible in the first place. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the storage full message on your Panasonic TN W78AEZ TV. In case your storage is full, we can empty it by removing or erasing some temporary files. To do so, press the gear button, go to All Settings menu. Then in All Settings menu, let's navigate down to the System menu, and in System menu select Storage. Now here select Free Up Storage. Wait until the cache is calculated and select Clear Cache. Then OK. And this will clear cache of all applications on your TV and will clear a significant amount of storage, especially if you have been using this TV for a while. You can also go to Uninstall Apps and open the list of applications, and then select some applications that you don't need. Select Uninstall, OK. And this way you can also free up some storage on your TV. And that's basically how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound on HDMI ARC or eARC on your Panasonic TN W70AEZ TV. To quickly solve this issue, press the gear button on your remote control, go to All Settings menu, then go to Display and Sound menu, then in Display and Sound menu select Audio Output. Now here you're gonna have to select Audio Output and select select PCM here, and try to play the music once again, or the sound once again. And if this doesn't help you, then you can also go to Channels and Inputs, then select Inputs, and then here enable the HDMI control, or if it's enabled, try to disable it. And in case this doesn't help you, then simply restart your TV by holding down the power button, selecting OK to shut it down, and then try restarting it by pressing the power button once again after a moment. And oftenly this basically cleans the temporary memory on your TV, and it may also help you solve this problem. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Game Mode on your Panasonic TN W70AEZ TV. First of all, switch to your gaming device, like gaming console, and once you do that, press the gear button on your remote control to open Settings menu, then select the gear icon on your screen to go to All Settings, select Display and Sound section, then go to Picture, and in Picture we're gonna have to well, first of all, you can change the picture mode to game mode by selecting picture mode and then selecting game, which is the last option on the list. And also go to advanced settings, and here in advanced settings you will see the game mode toggle. So if you want to enable it, switch this toggle to the right and the game mode will be enabled on your TV. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Project TV Launcher and replace default home screen on Panasonic TV. First of all, I just want to briefly mention that if the Project TV Launcher isn't available in the App Store on your TV, then you can sideload this launcher, and we have a separate video on our channel titled How to Sideload Apps on Panasonic TV. So if you're interested and if you need that video, then go ahead and check that video out. But for this one, I'm gonna show you how to install this application from the default App Store. So let's open the Apps tab in the top right in the top bar of your home screen, and then let's navigate down to the search bar, and now let's input the Project TV launcher name. Then select search icon.
Results for Project TV.
Then select Project TV Launcher, select install. Wait until this app is installed. And then open this application. Then let's go through the introduction screen. Now let's give this application all the permissions. Select Project TV Launcher, switch the toggle to the right next to it, then press return button to continue. Then click yes, then select get started. And now to replace the home screen of our Panasonic TV with this application, all we have to do is select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then go to Project TV Launcher settings, then let's go to Accessibility Service, select Show Accessibility Settings, then yes, and then navigate to the Project TV Launcher at the very bottom of this menu. Select it, then switch the toggle to the right next to Enable, click OK, and after that let's navigate back to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then let's go to Project TV Launcher settings once again, then select General, and then switch the toggle to the right next to Override Current Launcher. And now whenever you press the home button or use any buttons on your remote control, the Project TV Launcher will be actually the launcher that will respond to your commands, and therefore you will not have to use your default Google home screen at all, unless you want to turn off this feature. And in order to do that, just go back to the Project TV Launcher settings, then go back to General, and then switch the toggle to the left next to Override Current Launcher. After that, pressing the home button will first of all trigger your default launcher. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your remote control isn't working, or if you have any pairing issues with your Panasonic TV. So first of all, make sure that your remote control's batteries are charged enough to work, or just try to replace them. So remove the back cover from your remote control and then replace these two batteries with another pair of 3A batteries, and then place them inside and try using your remote control with your TV. But in case your TV isn't responding to your remote control's commands still, you can try to use your smartphone instead. And if you don't know how to use your smartphone as a remote control, we have a separate video on our channel titled how to use your smartphone as a remote control for Panasonic TV. So basically what you have to do is open the home application, Google Home application on your smartphone. Then from the home screen, go to the all devices section, then select your Google TV, then tap open remote, and at this point you'll be able to navigate on your TV using your smartphone. So using your smartphone, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings, then navigate to remotes and accessories. And if you cannot find your TV here, then you're going to have to pair it with your TV. And in order to pair your remote control with your TV, you're going to have to press and hold the home button and the back button or return button at the same time for about 10 seconds until your blue LED indicator starts flashing rapidly. And after that, you're going to have to select this menu once again and select pair accessory, and you should see your TV remote on the screen right now. So just tap on it, wait until it's paired with your TV. Okay, and when they are connected, you should definitely be able to use your remote control. But if you still have troubles accessing some features like your voice control, then you're going to have to simply restart your TV by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, selecting OK, and wait until your TV shuts down, and then turn it back on after a couple of seconds by short pressing the power button once again. And after that, you will get the full access to all of your remote's features. Now, if you weren't able to pair your TV remote control, that means that something is broken inside your remote control, and you should just order yourself a new one and just use your smartphone as a replacement for now. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to increase navigation speed on your Panasonic TN W70AEZ TV. To increase the navigation speed, we can simply reduce animation speed. To do so, go to the settings menu by pressing the gear button, then selecting the gear icon on your screen. Now in settings, let's go to system, let's go to about. Now in the about menu, navigate to Android TV OS build and press OK button 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification on your screen. Press return to go back to system menu, then navigate down to developer options, and now here, in order to reduce the animation, to increase the animation speed, let's navigate down to window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Now we can change each of these options, and this way increase the navigation speed. To do that, select one of these options, and then select either animation scale 0.5x if you want to make the animations twice as short as they are now, or if you want to, you can simply disable them by selecting animation off option. Now select this option for all three values, and now you can see that we have drastically increased the navigation speed on our TV. Let's set to 0.5x, so that we don't get rid of animations at all. And you can see that the navigation speed is much faster right now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable personalized ads on your Panasonic TN W78AEZ TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control, then select all settings, then navigate down to the privacy menu, and in privacy menu you're gonna have to select ads, and in ads menu you're gonna have to select first reset advertising ID to reset your advertising ID and data that Google has gathered about you. Then select confirm, and once you see the advertising ID reset and notification on your screen, you can select delete advertising ID to completely remove it, and then the personalized ads will be removed from your TV. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you have no sound on HDMI ARC or eARC on Panasonic TV. So first of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open settings, then go to all settings menu. And after that, select display and sound section, open sound, open audio input. And in audio or input menu, select digital output and change it from auto to PCM or pass through. And then check your audio once again. This should fix the issue. So that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to speed up the navigation on your Panasonic TV by adjusting the animation scales. To do that, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open all settings menu, then scroll down to System, and in System go to About menu. Now in About menu, go to Android TV OS build and press OK 7 times when you have it selected until you see you are now a developer notification at the bottom of your screen. This way you will unlock developer options on your TV. After that, we're gonna have to go back to System, select developer options, and then in developer options you have to scroll down to the animation scales. So here we have window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. And you can either set them to 0.5x or just turn them off completely. This way you will reduce the speed animation duration. As you can see right now, when I selected 0.5x, the animations look much smoother, much faster, definitely. And now let's see what happens when I change them to off. And as you can see, this made the TV even faster at this point. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable game mode and reduce input lag on your Panasonic TN W70AEZ TV. First of all, make sure that your gaming console is connected to your TV, then press the input button on your remote control, select your gaming console, then press the gear button on your remote control, open all settings, and let's go to display and sound, open picture menu here. Now first of all, in picture mode you can select the game picture mode, but this will not enable the game mode itself. Now if you want to enable the game mode, go to advanced settings, then navigate down to game mode and switch this toggle to the right to enable it. Now here you can also enable the auto low latency mode by switching this toggle to the right too. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi and what to do if you are connected but have no access to the web services on your Panasonic TV. So first of all, to connect to a Wi-Fi, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen, then open all settings menu, and then go to network and internet, then select the network that you want to connect to, and then provide a password to it using your D-pad to navigate through these keys, and OK button to select the key that you want to enter. And once you enter your password, navigate to OK button in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Wait until you are connected to the network. And if you see connected successfully, that means that you are connected right now. But if you have, if your connection doesn't say connected but limited connection, then in such case, check if you can access your web services. If you cannot, then first step will be one of the most common solutions, changing your date and time. To change your date and time, go to System menu in Settings, then go to Date and Time menu. Then if your date and time aren't set automatically, so automatic date and time is set to off, then change it to use network provided time, and then do the same thing with your time zone. Let it use broadcast provided time. But if your automatic date and time are enabled, but you can see that your date and your time are incorrect, so they do not match your actual date and time, then you're going to have to manually change date and time on your TV. So first of all, disable automatic date and time, and then in set date, select the current date. So to select any value, you can use up and down arrow keys on your D-pad, and using left and right arrow keys, you can navigate between types of values, so month, day, and year. In my case. In your case, it can be different. Now here you can set the time manually in the very same way. So once you set date and time, restart your TV, and to do that, hold down the power button, then select OK, then wait for your TV to turn off, and then give it a couple more seconds, then press power button once again to turn it on, and wait until your TV turns on. And once your TV is restarted, try checking your web services and see if they work for you right now. Okay, as I can see, YouTube works just fine, so we do not need anything here. But instead, if this didn't fix the problem for you, then first of all check if other devices around you that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network can actually use it for web surfing. So try it on your smartphone or your laptop or your tablet, and if all of them, or if just one of them at least can use the network connection for web surfing, then this means that the problem is lays within your either within your TV or within compatibility, or there is some other kind of connection problem that you're facing. So first of all, put aside all the wireless network using devices from your TV. So I mean your tablet, your laptop, your smartphone, your speaker, or anything else that may use wireless connection, because it may interfere with your TV and Wi-Fi connection. Then if this doesn't help, then try to restart your router and try power recycling your TV. So this is done in the very same way as when we try to restart as when we restarted our TV before. But you also have to unplug your TV from the power outlets after you turn it off and leave it like this for about a minute, then plug it back into the outlet and then power it on, and then check your internet connection once again. Now, if this doesn't help, then maybe the network band is the problem. So let's go back to settings. Then go to network and internet, and if you see that your network is using 5G connection type, then try instead connecting to the regular network which uses 2.4 gigahertz connection. So just select this network, then enter a password to it, and try to connect to it instead and see if it works for you. And after that, if this doesn't help you, or maybe if your network isn't split in two, then you can actually do that through a router setting. So if you know how to do that, or if you know somebody who does, then ask them to split to split your network into two bands, so that you can actually try this step. And also the problem may be that your TV is simply incompatible with your router. Maybe your router is simply too old, and in order to check it out, you're gonna have to create a portable hotspot on your smartphone and try to connect your TV to it. So create a portable hotspot on your smartphone, then go to see all networks here, and then try checking your checking if there is your portable hotspot. If once you see it, select it, provide a password to it, try to connect to it, and if your TV works with it, then it means that this is simply a compatibility problem between your TV and your Wi-Fi router. But if it cannot connect to your mobile hotspot too, then in such case the problem is most probably either some other issue in the software, or maybe this is a hardware problem. However, as a last resort, you can simply perform a factory reset operation on your TV. So in order to perform factory reset operation on your TV, go to the system menu in your settings and select and then go to about, and in about you're gonna have to select reset option and then confirm by selecting reset once again, then confirm, and then you're gonna have to select delete everything. Yeah, so if you have some important data on your TV, back it up to your pen drive, and after that perform the factory reset operation, and then try reconnecting your TV to the Wi-Fi once again. If this doesn't work for you even after a factory reset, then in such case the reason must be some hardware problem, and in this case just contact Panasonic customer support service and let them take care of this situation for you. And so that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable game mode and reduce input lag on Panasonic TV. First of all, make sure that the game console is connected to your TV via the HDMI input, and by default, if you simply switch to your gaming console, your TV will enable Game Mode and also Auto Low Latency Mode, which will reduce the lag input. But just to make sure that they are enabled, press the input button on your remote control and then select your HDMI input, which has the gaming console connected to it. Then press the gear button on your remote control to open settings, go to all settings and select display and sound, go to picture, and in picture menu you're gonna have to navigate to advanced settings. Then in advanced settings, make sure that the game mode is enabled, if you even can change this option, and also enable ALLM feature to enable auto low latency mode to reduce input lag. If these options aren't available for you in settings when you connect your game console to your TV, then you're gonna have to ensure that your input is set to enhanced if there is such an option for your input, because some TVs have default and enhanced inputs. Then you can check it out in your settings by going to channels and inputs, then inputs, and then select an input. And then if some inputs have the enhanced feature to them, then that means that these inputs are usually meant for gaming consoles. In my case, all the inputs are the same, so I cannot show you directly how to locate it, but generally you can easily find it in your inputs settings. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on Panasonic TV. To do that, from the home screen of your device, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and press OK. And after that, scroll down to System. Then in System, select About. Then in About, we're gonna have to find TV OS Build and press OK 7 times until you see "You are now a developer" notification. And now when you return to the system menu and scroll down a little bit, you will find developer options menu, and here you'll have access to all the developer options on your TV. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand storage using an external USB flash drive on Panasonic TVs. First of all, most probably you're gonna need to prepare a USB 2.0 device for your TV, as most TVs do not support USB 3.0s for expanding the storage. But to be sure of what kind of USB flash drive you can use, check the specifications for your Panasonic particularly. And before you expand the storage on your TV, insert your USB flash drive into your computer and let's format it into the appropriate format. So once you insert it into your computer, first of all, before formatting your USB flash drive, back up all the important data you have on it, or all the media you have on it, or anything else, and store them on your computer somewhere. And after you do so, right-click your USB storage, select Format, and then select in file system, select either FAT32 or exFAT, or if both are available, select the default format type, and then select Start. Click OK and wait for the format operation to be complete. Then you can change back to your then you can safely eject your USB flash drive and switch back to your TV. So right now you're gonna have to insert the USB flash drive into your TV. And now give me a moment. So check where the USB ports are located on your TV. They are surely located on the back of it, and you just have to check both sides of your TV and check where the USB ports are located. In my case, they're located on the left side on the back of my TV. So once you find them, insert your USB flash drive into one of the available USB ports, and after that you're gonna have to go to settings. In settings menu, navigate down to system, then in system select storage, then select your USB flash drive and select erase and format as device storage and confirm. Then wait for a moment until your USB flash drive is formatted, and don't remove the drive in the process. Just wait until the operation is finished. Then you can select either to move your photos, files and app data to your USB storage, or do this later by selecting move later. And so now this USB flash drive is a part of your storage, and if you want to, you can always go to its settings, select erase and format as removable storage, and then once again it will become a regular USB flash drive. So not for storing your internal media and all the things, but for for transferring media to your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix limited connection or connected but no internet error on Panasonic TV. So the most common solution to this issue is either setting up date and time manually or selecting the automatic date and time settings, as date and time settings interfere with your internet connection the most in Google TVs, as most Google services rely on your currently set date and time. Now, to solve this problem, let's go to settings, then in settings select system, then go to date and time, and now here if you have automatic date and time disabled, then select use network provided time, or if use network provided time is enabled, then turn it off and then set the date and time to correct values. So in my case they are right now set to correct values, but you can use up and down arrow keys to change the value of hours and minutes, and the same with the date, the month, the day and the year. But I recommend using network provided time unless it works improperly. And also set the time zone using broadcast provided time zone, or by selecting your capital city from the list. And then check the network connection once again. Let's go back to network and internet, and as you can see right now the TV is properly connected to the internet. But if this didn't solve your issue, then try restarting your TV, or even try power cycling it. To do so, hold down the power button, select OK to turn it off, then unplug your TV from the power source and wait for about a minute. Then plug it back into the power source, and then turn it on again and see if this helps you. After your TV is restarted, give it a moment to launch, and then try and then check the internet connection, for example by running some of your web services like YouTube or Netflix or whatever you use usually on your TV. Now, if this doesn't solve the issue for you, you can also try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi by going back to settings, selecting network and internet, Then you're gonna have to select the network that you are currently connected to. Then select forget network at the very bottom of this network settings, then click OK. Wait until you are disconnected. Then select see all networks, select the network that you were connected to and provide a password to it once again. Once the password is provided, let's click OK and see if this helps you. Now, if this doesn't, then let's check where the issue is. First of all, put aside all the devices that use wireless network, like smartphones, maybe tablets, laptops, and speakers, so that they don't interfere with your network connection on your TV. And try checking your internet connection once again after that. And if this that doesn't help you, then check if the network that you're trying to connect to actually works on one of your other devices. So if your smartphone or your laptop or your tablet is able to use the internet with this particular network, then maybe this is a router issue, or basically the compatibility issue between the router and your TV. And in such case, you're gonna have to well, you can actually check whether you are using the 5 gigahertz or the default 2.4 gigahertz network in network and internet settings. As you can see, in my case, the network is split in two. So this here we have 2.4 gigahertz band. It's not mentioned anywhere. I was hoping that it would be. And here we have the 5 gigahertz band. In my case, the TV is able to connect to both of them, but sometimes TVs just don't work with 5 gigahertz bands. So if you can, if you have someone to ask for it, you can try to split your Wi-Fi on the router in the router settings into two bands, so that you can use 2.4 gigahertz band and try connecting your TV to it. Now, if you cannot do this, you can also well, you should also check whether or not your TV can connect to a portable hotspot created on one of your other devices, for example, your smartphone or your tablet or your laptop. Once again, just create a portable hotspot on one of these devices and try connecting your TV to it by going to network and internet settings, selecting see all networks, and find your portable hotspot right here. Try connecting to it. If your TV can connect to it, then the problem is definitely within the router, or rather, as I said, the compatibility between your TV and the router. And in such case, you just have to use a different one, or once again, try splitting it into two different bands. Maybe this will solve your issue. Now, if your TV cannot connect, doesn't connect to your mobile portable hotspot, then the problem is most probably within the TV's network card. And in such case, the best thing that you can do is reach out to Panasonic customer support service and tell them about this issue. If they basically if you explain everything to them, they will do their best to help you out with this problem. Most probably at this point, you will have to send your device to them for repair, and they will basically replace the network card, and your TV will work fine just as a new device. And so that's basically it. That's all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.